When Matthew Hinton and Craig Parks got married, they wrote into their vows they would be partners in parenthood as well. They wanted to be dads.
Visiting, the latest niece or nephew, attending baptisms and all these kinds of things. You come home thinking, when's our turn? We got to make this happen.
Easier said than done. The adoption waiting list at least 2 years long. International adoption limited because most countries won't permit same-sex couples to adopt. So they investigated surrogacy, but that was discouraging too.
For a same-sex male couple, you have to have not only a surrogate fall into your lap, but you also have to have an egg donor fall into your lap.
That's because in Canada, it's against the law to compensate an egg donor or a surrogate, or to pay an agency to help find an egg donor or a surrogate, which left the two dads without many options.
Surrogacy in Canada should not be prohibited, it should be regulated. And by not regulating it, it's essentially pushing it underground.
Enter Matthew's sister, Laura, busy raising her own kids, but happy to carry their child. They paid a U.S. agency to arrange an anonymous egg donor and picked Father's Day to start the ball rolling.
I saw it as just a babysitting service, a really complex babysitting service that needed my full attention.
Baby Fitz was born 3 months ago. There was a pile of legal stuff to sort out, who's the biological dad, the legal guardian, etc., etc. But Laura's content as an auntie. The two dads are a bit sleep-deprived, but in love to the moon and back.
I thought we would have one and be done, but I mean, 2 weeks after Fitz was here, I was ready to go for the next one. Bring it on. Let's keep going.
Whoa, slow down.
So we kind of that's a bit of a changed role there.
Let's enjoy this one for a little bit.
That's sweet.
If they do decide to try for a sibling for Fitz, there's an embryo waiting, frozen. But they'll need to hunt for a surrogate again, trapped by a law that makes it very difficult for a very modern family. Duncan McHugh, CBC News, Vancouver.